The 2025 Volvo XC90 is a masterclass in luxury, innovation, and Scandinavian design, redefining what a premium SUV should be. As it stands proudly in the showroom, its commanding presence captures the essence of Volvo's dedication to safety, sustainability, and cutting-edge technology. The first impression is one of elegance and confidence. The signature Thor's hammer LED headlights gleam with precision, complementing the bold yet refined grille that houses the iconic Volvo Iron Mark emblem. Every line and curve of the vehicle has been meticulously sculpted, ensuring that the XC90 exudes a timeless charm that is both modern and sophisticated. From the front angle, the aerodynamic profile becomes evident, with a well-defined hood that flows seamlessly into the windshield, giving the SUV an assertive stance. The large air intakes and finely detailed chrome accents add a sense of dynamism, reinforcing its luxury appeal. The sculpted LED daytime running lights extend toward the fenders, enhancing visibility and aesthetics in one stroke. Beneath the surface, Volvo's latest SPA2 platform ensures the vehicle is not just about looks but also about high performance and safety. Moving towards the showroom ambiance, the lighting perfectly highlights the XC90's design. The floor-to-ceiling glass walls reflect the SUV's silhouette, creating a breathtaking display of refinement. The showroom's polished flooring mirrors the car's contours, emphasizing its stature. Sleek, modern furniture and digital screens surround the car, showcasing Volvo's legacy and its vision for the future. Touchscreens exhibit the XC90's advanced features, such as the latest Pilot Assist semi-autonomous driving technology, a state-of-the-art infotainment system powered by Google Automotive Services, and an unparalleled suite of driver assistance features. Stepping closer, the paintwork of the 2025 XC90 comes alive under the soft LED lighting. Volvo offers a palette of sophisticated shades, from crystal white pearl to the deep, luxurious onyx black, ensuring a bespoke experience for every customer. The multi-layer coating process not only enhances durability but also adds an exquisite depth to the finish. Every reflection on the SUV's surface is a testament to Volvo's craftsmanship. A peek inside reveals a cabin that blends sustainability and opulence. The moment the doors open, the fragrance of premium materials fills the air. The leather-free upholstery option is a nod to Volvo's eco-conscious approach, offering a refined alternative without compromising luxury. The dashboard, adorned with Scandinavian wood inlays and crystal gear selectors, showcases a minimalist yet high-tech design. The Google-powered infotainment system takes center stage, featuring an intuitive portrait-oriented touchscreen that seamlessly integrates navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls. Seating in the XC90 is a first-class experience. The ergonomically designed seats offer supreme comfort, with ventilation, massage, and heating functions available for both the driver and passengers. The third-row seating remains one of the most spacious in its class, making the SUV an ideal choice for families who desire practicality without sacrificing elegance. The expansive panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, creating an airy, open feel. Under the hood, the 2025 XC90 brings the latest in Volvo's electrified powertrains. The plug-in hybrid variant, known as the XC90 Recharge, delivers an impressive balance of performance and efficiency. With an extended electric-only range, it allows for emission-free urban commuting while maintaining the power needed for long journeys. The advanced all-wheel drive system ensures superior traction and stability, adapting seamlessly to various road conditions. The safety innovations in the XC90 are at the forefront of automotive technology. Volvo, renowned for its industry-leading safety standards, introduces the next generation of lidar-based autonomous driving assistance, capable of providing enhanced collision prevention, lane-keeping assistance, and real-time traffic monitoring. The SUV's 360-degree camera system ensures precise maneuvering in tight spaces, while features like cross-traffic alert and blind spot information system (BLIS) provide additional layers of security. Inside the showroom, potential buyers can interact with Volvo's latest configurator displays, customizing their XC90 in real time. From wheel designs to interior trims, every detail can be tailored to personal preferences. The experience is further enriched with virtual reality demonstrations, allowing customers to explore the XC90 in various environments, whether it's a bustling cityscape or a serene countryside road. As visitors step back to admire the XC90 from the front angle, its commanding presence becomes undeniable. The adaptive LED headlights adjust dynamically based on road conditions, ensuring maximum visibility at all times. The sculpted hood and refined body lines give the SUV a poised yet aggressive stance, hinting at the power and sophistication that lie beneath. Beyond aesthetics, the XC90's aerodynamics have been fine-tuned to enhance efficiency. The active grille shutters and underbody airflow management reduce drag, contributing to a quieter ride and improved fuel efficiency. The lightweight aluminum body structure, coupled with high-strength steel reinforcements, ensures the perfect balance between durability and weight reduction. In the background, Volvo's Heritage Wall showcases the evolution of the XC90, tracing its journey from its first-generation debut to the present. This visual timeline highlights how the brand has consistently pushed boundaries in design, safety, and sustainability. A closer look at the showroom's digital displays reveals Volvo's ambitious plans for the future, including its commitment to becoming a fully electric brand by 2030. As customers take a moment to absorb the ambiance, the acoustic experience inside the showroom becomes noticeable. Soft, ambient music complements the modern setting, while the gentle hum of conversation among enthusiasts adds to the atmosphere. Volvo's representatives, well-versed in the brand's philosophy, guide customers through every detail, ensuring a personalized and informative experience. The pricing and trim options for the 2025 XC90 cater to a broad spectrum of buyers. From the well-equipped base model to the ultra-luxurious inscription trim, each variant offers a curated selection of features to suit diverse lifestyles. Leasing and financing plans are readily available, making it easier for customers to bring home this masterpiece of engineering. A final glance at the 2025 Volvo XC90 from the showroom's entrance reaffirms why this SUV remains a benchmark in the luxury segment. Its fusion of Scandinavian aesthetics, cutting-edge technology, and eco-conscious innovation sets it apart from the competition. Whether it's the executive seeking a refined yet powerful daily driver or the family looking for an SUV that balances comfort with safety, the XC90 delivers on every front. As customers step outside, the thought of owning this extraordinary vehicle lingers. The XC90 isn't just an SUV, it's an experience, a statement, and a promise of excellence that defines Volvo's unwavering commitment to the future of mobility. Don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel, like, comment, share.